bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I miss y'all so much. Y'all already know I miss y'all. I won't be keeping the intro as long, but I want to quickly mention before I get started with this video. Some hair, honey. This hair is from Beauty Forever. Tried them before in the past. They are an awesome company. Their hair feels really soft. It is very beautiful. If you go down in some of my recent tutorials, like way down, I featured their hair in my video. They have the best communication and they were kind enough to send some hair over here. So y'all already know I will be making a wig. I wanted to quickly mention it in this video that they are having a sale. So don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. Click the links, and if you are willing to buy some hair or want to buy some hair so you can be sleek, honey, go check them out. All links and social medias will be in the description right below. Anyways, guys, I am so excited that you came here and clicked on this video. I am back and it's about to be more videos coming at you. It's game time and it's time to slay. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey, my baby. I miss y'all so much. Y'all don't know how much I miss talking to this camera. We are back, y'all. I look fat. Y'all, I am going to be doing a recreated look. Let me show y'all the recreated look I will be doing today. But y'all, I miss y'all. I want to be talking throughout the tutorial. Now, I got a request from one of my dolls, and she requested me to do her look. I've been seeing her a lot lately. She's an upcoming artist. Her name is _Little Trilla, and she does bomb looks. Her looks be so bomb. But this one right here, this one, yo, so fire. So I'm gonna do mine a little bit different. Well, I don't know. On my brows, I did use a drugstore product. Some of my dolls did ask for a close-up tutorial. So I'm going to use this top brow. I did already. I'm not going to. I use this top brow product, which looks like this, so that you all can screenshot it. This is a drugstore brow pencil, and it's by Kiss Professional. And y'all know who put me on this. MJ put me on this. Lately, my brows have been not working out for me. Like, they have been like horrible to do because I got them arched. My original lady is not here. Went to the lady that I went to before her and got them arched, and she left them fat. And you know, now I don't like my eyebrows fat anymore. I like them skinny. But you know me, just be like, whatever, it is what it is. I'll go to somebody else and get, you know, them arched. So I did. I went to somebody in the mall, the Arabs that be doing the eyebrows at the stands. She did my eyebrows, so she fixed them up, and they was decent. After, it wasn't like dang, it was good, but they was decent. Something I can work with. So right now, the only thing that's really, I don't want to use ebony because it's too dark. I know it's too much talking in this video, but if you want to skip, please skip. But I would use ebony, however, it is too dark. This is dark, but it's not as dark though to me as ebony. I don't think so. Concealer today, y'all already know I use my MAC Pro 1 concealer in NC45. Let me show it up close so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Also, for those who are new, y'all probably don't know exactly, come on, focus. Y'all don't know exactly what I use on my brows, so this is MAC NC45. And on my lids and primer as my base for my eyeshadow is the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the shade Warm Honey. For lips, I did want to try this lip injection by Too Faced, and it's actually on my lips now so that it can get ready to and it's like activated now so that my lips can be plump and more juicier. I have a lot of new products today. I have a lot of things that I need to get out the way today. Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick that they just came out with, the bronzer that I'm going to be using in here, the Ambrosia highlighter. Like, it's just a lot of stuff that I'm going to be using today. And then also I'm going to use the Take Me to Brazil palette for my eyeshadow. I want to go in with Celebrity out of this palette, which looks like this. Let me give y'all a close up of it. This is how Celebrity looks. to go in with just a tad bit of this white. Y'all can see I almost hit pan on this. Tell y'all what's been going on. And out because I was getting sick. I don't know if it was the flu or what, but I haven't. The brush that I'm going in with is my Morphe 212 brush. Before I start talking, I had the I don't know if it's the flu or I didn't go to the doctor to see what it was, but all I know is I always be coughing and stuff lately, so I had got some Sudafed for my nose because my sinuses be acting up. Y'all say get Zyrtex like a long time ago when I kept sneezing. It's been happening since like last year. Like I keep sneezing, like sinuses is real bad. Sorry, what lace? That one. Some concealer in it. Daughter, she was sick, so I caught it from her. We was taking medicine and stuff to kind of get better. Soap called Kojak something soap, and I looked at reviews on YouTube. One of my dals had introduced me to this soap on Snap. Like I said, Snap be lit, y'all. My Snap be lit. It's this light blue that I have, and it's called Kimchi from Sugar Peel. Rose Cosmetics Light Bright Palette. It's called Cloud. Go with those two on a Morphe 504 brush. I was saying I used the soap, and when I used it with the exfoliator brush, what happened to me was this. Like it peeled my skin off right here, and then I'm kind of peeling right here. So my skin right here is rough, and it's rough right here. I'm trying to do everything in order to get my skin right, y'all. It's a lightener, so it was supposed to lighten up the dark marks. So this is my second day using it. So to get my skin rest from the soap a little bit, and then I'll get back to using it when everything heals. And I'm not going to use that exfoliator. We're just going to go in with this dark blue. I'm going to take Velocity. Of course, with my second brush, which is the R2 that I always use for the second transition. It diffuses it just a little bit, but still adding the amount that I want. So I'm just going to take this Morphe 513 brush. Going back in with that light blue, putting some on the brush, and lightly diffuse. Okay, blend. I'm going to the Morphe 35 Old Nation 2 palette and grabbing this black, and we're just going to add it in the outer V area to like right here. I don't know why I always do right there, but it's just bomb. I'm going to take this Morphe 506 brush, and it's tiny just like this and precise to get right in that crease. I'm going to take my Eye FX base from Ambrosia Cosmetics. I totally forget. The brush that we're going to be using today is something new. May Jane introduced me to this brush out. Okay. Take this neon green first. Then we're gonna take this orange, right? And then we're gonna take the red. Now what we're going to do is add the glitter. I'm taking my MAC 3 Silver glitter. So I want to stop right there. What I went ahead and did was add my foundation off camera, my highlights, my contour, all of that good stuff off camera. The Becca Ultimate Coverage foundation in the shade Sienna. My highlighter to highlight underneath the eyes is Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Concealer and Warm. And then up here on my forehead I used Tarte Tape Shape and Deep, and then down the bridge of my nose as well. And then to contour, I just use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Big Brow Pomade in the shade Earth. I'm going to bronze up the face a little bit, so we're going to use a new product, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're going to see if it's actually chocolatey, not that chocolatey because it's supposed to be a bronzer. Bronzers look. Pick up in this beautiful package. It looks a little bit light, but in person, it's not that color. It's so cute. I like that logo. So here is the highlighter, the Ambrosia highlighter. It is so pretty. It has the same packaging as the bronzer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. As always, I'm going to ask if you enjoyed, because if you didn't, that means I got to come even harder, honey. Even harder. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to share as well so that people can be notified about this game. Please turn on your notification bell so that you can get that ding from me, so every time I upload you will get the notification. And I don't know, some people notifications are coming in late because every time I upload my mom is getting her notifications late, so I don't know what's going on with that. YouTube, you need to fix it. See you guys on the next one, which will be the giveaway.